It won't close. Oh no. It is that time to do our Boxycharm unboxing. Obviously, I'm gonna do it try-on style, so I'm just gonna open this on up, take a quick peek in here, and then we'll see what the first product to try will be. Right off the bat, I see this product from Dr. Brant. It's called the Pores No More Vacuum Cleaner. It's a pore purifying mask, and it's a 1 ounce size. So I'm gonna go ahead and quickly put this on. I'll come back with the mask actually on so you can see what it looks like, and then we'll go from there. So the mask is now dry. It's been on for maybe like a couple minutes. I only use a thin layer. It doesn't really say whether to apply it to a wet face or not. It just says, after cleansing, apply a thin layer to areas of concern, avoid eyes, leave on 5 to 10 minutes until dry. A cooling sensation will occur. Rinse with warm water, pat dry, use it 2 to 3 times per week for maximum results. And then up here on the top it does say it's for oily combination skin. So if you're dry, I would avoid this. It stinks. It stinks like butthole. Not actually like butthole. It has a smell, but I can't like pinpoint it. But it's not great smelling. I'm just like ready to wash this off. Oh, did not realize I had it sit there, but I do. I will tell you about this while this is still sitting on my face. This is from obviously the brand. This is obviously from the brand Dr. Brant. Pores No More Vacuum Cleaner, which is actually a mask. I originally read this and thought it was a cleanser, and it's not. So, you know that. It's not like I try to use it as a cleanser, but the full size of this retails for $47. This cannot be the full size. Holy crap, this is the full size. So this retails for $47 at this size. This better be magic in a tube if I'm paying that much money. I'm gonna come back after I wash this off. I'll explain how my skin feels when I get back, but I am gonna go ahead and put on my base. So, all right, I'm back. The lighting's changed. My memory card got full, and so I had to, transfer some things, delete some things, the whole shebang. But I am back, my base is on. I haven't done blush yet because I kind of want to see what I end up doing. So my face feels a lot tighter from that mask. I don't know if it really did anything for my pores. I mean, obviously, like, masks take a day or so to actually affect the skin. It doesn't happen immediately, but my face does feel pretty soft. I did go ahead and like do my brows because we do have a brow gel but not a brow pencil, so that's where we're at right now. I will say this smelled like straight up booty. Washing this off my face was the best thing, but the scent lingered a bit. Like, it went away after like a couple more minutes, but it smelled like booty even after washing off for a minute or two. Just be aware. Let's just get into this product. This is from the Browgal, the Instant Tinted Brow Gel with microfibers, and it's Light Hair 03. The shade looks like this, so I went ahead and filled my brows with medium brown instead of the soft brown that I have been doing, because whoop, this is light. This is very, very light. The spoolie is quite interesting. It's like, it's longer, but it's quite flimsy, but not in like a bad way necessarily. I don't know. I do feel like that did make them a little bit fuller. So this is my trick with brow gels. If I have a lighter brow gel, I fill in my eyebrows with a darker pencil. If I have a darker eyebrow gel, then I fill in with the lighter pencil, and then somehow it magically correlates to each other and I get my shade of brow. We're just gonna keep moving. I do like that brow product. I'm gonna try just spoolie with like my normal spoolie to shape that a little bit better. It did do something. I visually saw it do something for my brows, so you know, there's that. The next product in here are 2 brushes. Get those out. These brushes are from the SL Miss Glam. It's a brush duo and it retails for $38.50. This duo eyeshadow brush is made with pink and lilac love. Be transported to magically glam world by creating a flawless eye look that sparkles as straight from a fairy tale. This eyeshadow brush and eye blender are the very best quality eye brushes from SL Miss Glam. It's time to channel your inner princess. I have a hard time believing that these are their best, like, highest quality brushes. For one, I don't know if you'll be able to tell on camera, but like the actual like hairs, they look just like that vinyl-y, like shiny white brush hairs that have like a curl to them still, like they're that fake. So this one looks a little bit better, but it's still that shiny white synthetic hair. I don't know, that just screams cheap to me, so I have a hard time believing that these 2 are 40 bucks. You know what I mean? I'm gonna go ahead and prime my eyelids because we're gonna need to do some eyeshadow with these brushes. I don't know. I don't have high hopes for these brushes. They look pretty cheap. They're cute. These might be a good display type of cute. I don't really like that there's jewels on them. It cheapens the look for me, but you know, it's whatever. The next item in the box is this Colourpop palette. This is the Element of Surprise. I'm not sure if everyone's getting the same palette or if it's different ones for different people, because I have not watched a video yet, even though it's been really difficult not to. This palette retails for $16. This is one of their original ones that doesn't have a mirror. I know that they still make ones that don't have a mirror, but it looks about like this. I'm gonna grab my Femme Rosa just to compare it to it. So the Femme Rosa is this one right over here. This is the Element of Surprise. So you do get a little bit more like nude-ish colors in the Element one. I guess that's not true. You get like a decent amount of nudes in here, but they're just more peaky nudes, where these have like more of that brown undertone in this palette with a couple pops of pink and like red. So we'll see. It's similar. It's like that purple pinky tones, but a little bit more brown in them. So let's give it a shot. I'm not like, I already know what the like quality of Colourpop eyeshadows are, so I'm not worried about this palette. I'm just gonna try and make up a look for ya. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this purple fluffy brush, dip into this brown right here on the palette in the bottom row, and tap off the excess. Colourpop's eyeshadows, it's very important to tap off the excess because they are very, very pigmented. Yeah, this brush is crap. I just want that to be said and known that this brush is utter crap. This brush is not on its own worth 20 bucks. It's not worth 20 bucks with this duo. That's kind of a bummer because I've actually enjoyed a lot of the brushes I get in these boxes, but especially if they're retailing it for $40, like $38.50. Are you kidding me? Sorry. Little upset about it. I am gonna use my color switch here and use a couple brushes. I'm just gonna use my Sephora Featherlight crease brush, and I'm gonna dip into this that lighter shade real quick just to kind of soften the eyelid up a little bit. And then I'm gonna take my My Little Pony brush and I'm gonna dip into this like kind of burgundy color right here. Just kind of bring that in. I like putting darker colors on fluffier brushes. It helps disperse it a little nicer. It helps like fan it out nicely. I am gonna darken that up by going into the purple that's right there, just a smidgen with the same brush. I did use the color switch. And I'm just gonna go outside of that pink a little bit. Man, doing all the pink looks. Guess I'm gonna go ahead and put this shade right here. It looks like a brown, but it's kind of pink all over my lid. Usually I meet out the middle, but I just put it all throughout this time. I guess that could be a cute little pop of something. All right. Well, that's the eye look I made. The last step I did, I just took this kind of like duochrome white shade, put a little bit in the center and on the brow bone. It's a pretty palette. I was never intrigued by this one to pick it up when it came out. I just feel like I have this in a lot of palettes right now. Maybe not like this, but it's also kind of intriguing to me that like there's not a there's only like two actual light colors in here, right here and here, and one's like too dark for me to like use as a highlight, and then this is like a duochrome, so it just is kind of intriguing. But I did use the duochrome. It kind of goes with the eye look, kind of doesn't. It's, you know, whatever. I am gonna go ahead and put on some eyeliner. There's not a mascara in here, so I'm quickly just gonna use my Lash Paradise. It's what I have handy right here. The eyeliner I used was the Smashbox Always On gel liner, just so you're aware. Well, we're gonna just move on to the last product in the box. It is the MAC Liptensity Lipstick. This is in the shade Burnt Violet. Oh, that looks a lot more like brown than violet. I don't know what this color is gonna look like. Okay. Oh, okay. Definitely would have preferred putting a lip liner on. This is like not a shape that like is easy to like define your lips, if you know what I mean. Wow, that's a vampy look. Now I can kind of see the violet that they were talking about. It is like a, like it's almost brown, but it's like a, it's a very dark burgundy. Yeah. You know, with the eye look, it's not terrible. That's kind of funny. You know, see what I mean? Let's go ahead and pop highlight on. We'll use this because I just got it. Oh, it's so pretty. So pretty. Whew. Like, it just looks like I got a sweaty cheek right now, but like sweaty, beautiful cheek of makeup. I could put some blush on, but I don't really want to. So this is our box this month. So you got this palette, which Colourpop is amazing quality for a really low price. I just think these are cheap. I don't need to keep saying it. I don't think these are great quality. Sure, they blended out eyeshadow, but they're definitely not worth $38.50, which is what they're retailing them for. I do not believe that for a second. This was interesting. I will keep using it. It's not like I didn't like it. It's just kind of a different one, but it did apply very nicely to my face. I do like this. I can tell that I would rather have a lip liner under it though, but I also had no idea what this color would actually translate to, which it's a little bit more purple than the two. And then whew, this mud, I don't know why I want to call it a mud mask, this pore mask that like is supposed to help your pores, this vacuum cleaner. Overall I'm pretty happy with the box. I just think it's kind of funny that they're trying to retail those brushes for as high as they are. That's really my only complaint about this box. Otherwise, every product in here I'm gonna get good use out of. Sometimes you get a box where it has like a bunch of products where you're just like, I don't really use these. How am I gonna make this work? Like when I first started Boxycharm, I got, oh, what is it? It's like a bronzer for your skin. Like, so it's supposed to give you the illusion of having self-tan when you had it and had like glimmer in it. And I'm just like, not my kind of tea for products like that. Like, I'd either rather have self-tanner or something that's like gonna gradually give me a tan, not just something that like you put on your skin and then you wash it off that night when you're ready to not be tan. It was just a really interesting concept, and so I have gotten products that I just like don't understand if I'm gonna use it, but obviously I will use this box. The brushes just kind of make me laugh, but that's all I have to say. Other than that, I really did enjoy this Boxycharm. Thanks for watching me unbox it and trying it on, and hopefully when you get yours you can try it on with me. I never know though, sometimes like you don't get the exact same products in the box that other people get, and that's like a bummer. I remember I watched, it was like that girl's Shay XO and Kathleen Lights both unboxed their Boxycharms, and I was like, oh my god, I'm so excited for mine when it comes in the mail. And I got mine and I didn't have the same products, and I was like, Boxycharm, you playing me? You playing me? I mean, I had a couple of the same products, but like the product I was most excited for, I didn't get, and I was just like, how can you play me like that? But it's fine. I think this is where I'm going to leave it at. Thanks for watching my Boxycharm unboxing with me. It was a pleasure. That's all I have. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful rest of your day or evening or whatever you're about to go do. Bye guys. Thank you. I'm going to edit that out. Oh, I have hair. Ooh. I don't remember what I was talking about. Ooh, I don't remember. They were crap. And I'm gonna say that they were crap because they were. Look at my cute socks. Here, have a good day. Oh.